it's really mild and pleasant out. Temperatures in the 70s. We had a couple of showers, but those have died down. And the rest of today is largely cloudy. It's mild. That continues overnight tonight. Again, temperatures are staying in the 50s. There'll be a chance of a shower mainly in through the mountains and across northern Maine. That'll continue to be a factor through early tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow basically plays out the same as today. It starts in the 50s. We get it into some sun. More clouds come in the afternoon. We're into the mid 70s by tomorrow afternoon. A couple of upper 70s possible too over southern and western Maine. And just a stray chance for a shower here and there tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. I think most of us are able to remain dry, but there is the possibility for a sprinkle Friday afternoon. Then we roll into the weekend and it's really nice on Saturday. Temperatures upper 70s. A stray 80 would not shock me at all, especially in kind of the usual spots out from Sebago to about the Freedom, New Hampshire area and then down into Sanford. Could pop to 80 briefly. It won't last all that long. That cold front comes through Saturday afternoon with an isolated sprinkle. And once that front comes through, our air mass changes drastically for the second half of the weekend. So there's your warm front there. We're in the warm sector today into tomorrow and Saturday, and that's what keeps us in this really anomalous air mass in the 70s when our average high is in the 50s this time of the year. Then here comes that cold front. That smashes through on Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, and then temperatures are in the 50s behind it, and we're waiting for this system to move in. It'll move in Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening with some showers, and it's a really raw start to the work week on Monday. So temperature trend looks good the first two bars, and then we really crash down here Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We probably don't have many highs over 50 through next week. So it's going to be a drastically different temperature regime than we've gotten used to over the last few days. Now the showers do wait, it looks like, until Sunday late afternoon, Sunday night. Then it is rainy with even some snow across far northern Maine on Monday. After that, we're into a cool air mass and we're waiting to see if a storm system develops on Tuesday night, Wednesday. Latest models keep it just offshore, but it's worth watching because it's going to be quite chilly, meaning there would be a chance for some snow in the mountains and foothills if that storm comes together. But it's an if still working on that. So rest of today, we've got mostly cloudy conditions, temperatures in the upper 60s, partly sunny on Friday, right around 70 to 75 degrees. Remains warm on Saturday. I could take the over on this. I think we could see some upper 70s again, a stray 80. Showers come in the afternoon on Sunday after temperatures are drastically cooler in the 50s, and then rain through the day on Monday. It is kind of a raw, uncomfortable start to the work week. And then for Halloween itself, it does look dry, but substantially cooler. So high temperatures only in the 40s at that point. And we'll see trick-or-treaters probably looking at temperatures in the low 40s if kids are heading out there on Tuesday night. Then we will be watching that storm system as we head into Wednesday. That is a question mark. Certainly it would not be historically out of whack for us to get our first snow in the mountains and foothills on Wednesday, which would be November, the beginning of November. Until then, though, it'll be relatively quiet. And guys, as I detailed earlier, as far as this ongoing manhunt situation, it kind of cuts both ways. Weather's good for people on foot looking for the suspect, but also there's nothing to drive someone in hiding in. It's not going to be particularly cold, rainy, snowy, anything like that.
All right, thank you, Keith.